Hi. Let us talk about discipleship. Kung hindi niyo po nitatanong, no? Sagana akin, napakahalaga ng merong tinatawag na leadership group leader. Sa ibang banda, tinatawag itong leadership group. Ito po yung small group ng mga leaders or LGL or leadership group kung tawagin natin. Well, meron po tayong LGL at meron din naman po yung facilitator yung LGL na kung saan yung facilitator, ito po yung nakapag-raise ng mga leaders na hindi lamang sila nag-oversee ng mga leaders, but they are the ones inspiring, encouraging, and reminding them of the journey that they are doing in terms of discipleship. Yan po. So, I'm blessed na meron tayong 17 na facilitators who provides oversight to somewhat like 80 or 90 leaders dito sa community ng Senior Leaders. And I'm happy to tell you that these people are really working behind the scene. They're the ones honing, shaping, inspiring, preparing our leaders so that they would continue on to that journey of discipleship. They're the ones also that reminds everyone about patungkol sa strategy ng discipleship na meron tayo sa 4 E's. Remember? You have to engage, establish, equip, and empower. So, everyone then, they talk about it. Pinag-uusapan nila ito kung paano they can continue reach out to the lost by engaging them, the community and the culture of the people whom they are surrounded with. At hindi lamang yan, yung mga na-engage nila, of course, siyempre, they are the ones also establishing them through the help of those participants that they have sa kanilang small group. At hindi lamang yan, siyempre, pagtapos nila ma-establish yan, and then, of course, they also aiming na sila ay ma-equip din. That's why may mga foundational classes tayo sa discipleship at na kung saan meron din tayong mga one-on-one na mentoring, tuturuan sila kung paano mag-disciple at tuturuan din sila kung paano i-reach out yung mga tao na sa kanilang community. At of course, yung mga na-equip, sooner or later, as they continue on this journey, they will be the one that will be empowered to lead our small group in this community. Kaya yan po yung ating ginagawa dito. Oh, by the way guys, no, sa July 15, ay nga pala, bukas na yan. So, July 14 na pala ngayon. So, paalala ko lang po sa ating mga facilitators ng Senior Leaders, meron po tayong very important alignment meeting na maganap bukas. Na kung saan pag-uusapan natin yung aking mga nabanggit, and I'm excited to see you because this is our first facilitators meeting this year 2025. Kung tawagin natin ay mid-year review so that we can talk about what will happen for the next few months before the year end. Excited to see you. Well, tatamaan nyo lang. Siyempre, we are going to have our lunch together. Alam nyo na, potluck tayo parate. And we're excited to fellowship with you over lunch. And looking forward to see you all. God bless you. Bye.